What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally took our CVO apart and dropped them things off in LA. Not only the CVO, but our orange and brown Road Glide that's gonna have the 124 kit on there, man. I can't wait to see how that thing comes back and see how it's sounding, man. Those things are gonna be lovely. Meanwhile, our CVO had a little bit more damage than what we thought it was, so that one's gonna be a little bit more of a project. We'll get there when we do. Meanwhile, man, we are back in Texas, man. Me and Mama just came out here. It's time to finalize our crib, get everything situated, and not only that, man, it's time to find some wheels to move around out here, because you guys know we just gave away our BMW i8. Our winner should be taking delivery in a couple days or so that just means I gotta get my show back on the road, man. I gotta get something nice to slide in, especially while I'm down here, man. So without further ado, you guys know what time it is, man. Mr. C8, Mr. Corvette, Mr. New C8 Corvette, man. I've been trying to get this thing for a long time. When I got my i8 first, I was supposed to initially get the C8. It was a little bit more expensive then, but you guys know timing is everything, man, and the price dropped a little bit, and we got the top of the line 3LT and everything in our price range, and it looks amazing, man. I'm not gonna hold you guys. I'm gonna take you guys through the first beginning of the video, and then we'll jump right back into it, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win a big 22, I'm giving away my 2022 Ford F350 dually paired together for first place with our 2022 Road Glide Special. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of the truck when you get that thing. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2020 Road Glide with the build 124 on that joint. Of course, we're gonna have third place, but like I said, I don't know which one I'm gonna have up for third, man. So in the meantime, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you a green camo Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, I know you guys been waiting for a long time, man, so I'm about to get this show on the road. Let's go check out this C8 now, shall we? Hey, Mama. Having a good time? Yeah. About to go on a plane ride? Yeah. This is how we traveling. Two suitcases, baby backpack, and a baby car seat. Man, I'm thugging it right now, but we're gonna get it on. Alrighty. Let's go. Let's go, Dada.
This tram is going to the D gate. Please hold on to a post for handbrake.
Sit back. Go, huh? See the airplanes? So cool, huh? Alrighty, guys, we finally got off the plane, made it to Houston, Texas. It's me and Mama on the road today. We slide, Mama? Yeah, we slide, man. So she excited. She can't wait to go. We know you want to play with toys. We're about to go play with them right now. She's been so anxious to get over here to her cousin's house and enjoy it and have a ball with them. So we about to go over there. But first, I kind of want to make a stop. You guys know I'm moving to Houston, Texas, man. So I need a car out here. And you guys know we just gave away our BMW i8. So my guess is I'm going to go see if I can get another car right now. If not right now, probably in the morning, man. So we'll see what's good. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to Everything's Regular, man. I didn't even do an intro today, but we good to go, man. We on our way sliding through Houston right now, getting it together, man. Let's pull up to this dealer and see if they got something that may do us some justice here, man. Let's check it out. Alrighty, we done made it to our first destination, man. We are at the Honda dealer, man. You guys know we got to get that freaking family car for Texas, man. So we're gonna see what that family car is looking like. Mama, you ready to go see what that family car looking like? Yeah. Okay, let's roll. Yeah. All right, so Max, that's your name, right?
Yes, sir. How you doing?
Man, I'm out here with my guy Max. Hey, where we at, man?
We're at John Eagle Honda in Houston.
In Houston, Texas,
yeah, the
man.
Best place in the world.
So did we come to get a Honda today, or what are we checking out?
No, I wouldn't sell you a Honda.
Yeah.
I can sell you that Chevy right there.
Right, huh? I need that joint, huh, man? When in Texas, you got to do it big.
I got you something good, man.
Okay, bet. I can't wait to check it out.
I'm gonna surprise you right now.
I can't wait to check it out, man. My YouTube is ready. Come on, Mama, let's go.
You got that.
Oh my God! Oh my goodness!
There you go.
What's up, man?
Brian.
This thing is nice. Oh yeah, this thing is nice. What's up, man? This thing is nice. Now I see it here. Another happy customer sold. I can dig it. Max is looking real good, man. It's looking real good. You like that car? Mama, you like that car? It's nice. You like it? Yeah. Yeah? It's clean. I like it. Nice. Come on over here. That thing clean, man. But we gonna let them detail it up and get it together, man. I can't wait. Yeah, it definitely don't look like a Honda, Max.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, we just changed the marks on it.
Yeah, we have to take the emblems off, huh? Yeah. Y'all see it here first, man. Big vet with the motor in the back, man. I can't wait. It is time to go up, man. We in Houston, Texas, about to go live.
We can ride it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. This thing is looking like a freaking beast. I ain't gonna hold you. All for my 2021 C8 Corvette 3LT for yours truly. This thing is a freaking beast, dog. This thing is a freaking beast. We can just take a quick look at the interior. I'm gonna get y'all a whole review. You guys know when we was in Hawaii and we rented this thing, I didn't get to give you guys a whole review, but now we'll give you guys a whole nice review on this thing because it is mine and I can actually do that. So that's great. The top comes off. I kind of want to get the top of it wrapped black, but you guys see it here first, man. This thing is a freaking beast. Looking good, sounding good on full tank with the peanut butter interior with the raspberry jam on the outside. You even got the breadcrumbs all on the steering wheel and everything, man. So I'm digging it. I'm digging it. You see the breadcrumbs all up here on the steering wheel and all that. The best part about this thing is not only, I think it's right here. You guys see the trunk is definitely in the front. It looks like a Lambo. Like, look at the curves on this thing. Definitely looks like a Lambo up front. Then if we take a walk around back, of course, we got the horses in the back, man. So it's time to go up. I'm about to go enjoy this thing for a sec. Go look at this crib, and I'll catch you guys in a second and update you along the way, man. So let's get it, dog. Alrighty, guys. I was so into this thing yesterday morning. Yesterday rather. I didn't even have a chance to give y'all the full freaking effect on this thing. So I'm actually going to go get this crib and stuff situated and finalized. So that's what we're doing today, right now, this morning. But y'all see it here. It's time to go up, man. We about to have a ball of a day today, y'all. Now, the other house isn't working out how I needed to, so we're still house shopping right now. Trying to get it going, man. Trying to get it going. I like this one. I like this one, y'all. Let's see. Alrighty, guys, so this is what we're looking at. 3-car garage, 2-story, nice crib. The other one was nice. This one is brand new as well. They're still building houses in the area. Nobody's ever lived in this one. So it's set up for the modeling and stuff right now. So this will probably be my space right here, this nice office. Let's see what the garage is looking like. Ooh, nice big garage. We need some more LEDs in here and the AC inside, and that'll be actually perfect. Let's see what's over here. Nice little closetry. Washer and dryer already in. Bathroom downstairs. This thing looks good. Now the kitchen is nice, really nice and open, really bright. I guess that's the other door to the garage over yonder. It looks good in here, man. I ain't gonna hold you. It's not the first one I seen, but with all the furniture and stuff, I definitely see the potential. So we'll check it out. We got the lake view back there, which is dope. Nice master bedroom, master bath, double sinks. It's not a jacuzzi tub, but looks cool. Stand-up shower, looks nice. Another bathroom. We trying to get it together, y'all. Walk-in closet. Let's check out upstairs and see what's upstairs. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, I love these stairs. It looks so modern.
It's very modern.
Yeah, really, it looks really modern, like open up here. It looks really good. I love it, man. Game room.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
And then another suite. And then this is a good thing though. The lagoon is going on right now. The lagoon
it's not too far.
is here.
Oh, okay.
So you can sit here
And watch, huh?
overview the sunset in the lagoon.
Oh, nice. Okay, bet. Yeah, no, that's cool. It looks cool, and they're still building a bunch of houses and stuff, so that's nice.
No more houses is on the blocking the vision. This
Oh,
is
okay,
it.
so that's it. Okay, so we keep the
see-
view.
We can see here and see the blue.
Right, yeah, you can see the view. I thought they were going to build some houses right there and kill
No,
my view. Okay,
they're
bet.
The
So,
good thing is they're not every top of them.
right, huh? Okay.
This one, the view
Nice, another bathroom.
and the sunset.
Right, yeah, no, it's gonna look good. I like this one. This room is nice. Nice closet. This will probably be Mama's room. Yeah, no, it looks good in here though. Another bathroom right over yonder. Okay. Right, and how much do they want for the house?
This one,
Yeah,
they are selling for $549.
$549. Okay, yeah, that's about
This
right.
should be
No windows in here, huh?
media room.
Oh, media room. Oh, okay. Yeah, now this will probably be my room. Editing and videos and everything.
Yes.
It looks good though. I like it. It's
So
really
this will
open.
be your workshop.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking. It looks really good in here.
So this house will be perfect for you.
Yeah, I think so. I really like the view in the back too with the with the lagoon. It looks good. I like it. I like it. So you guys see it. We got the lake view. Nice house. What's your name again?
Serene.
Serene. Nice to meet you, Serene. Ashton.
Me too. Excellent. Yeah.
So we're gonna check it out here with you guys. I don't want to get the inside messed up, so I'm gonna take my shoes off because the grass was kind of wet.
So,
We're gonna see.
yeah, I will.
We're gonna check it out, man. We're gonna try to lock something in while we down here, dog. I'm gonna let y'all know how it go. But y'all know I'm a garage type person, so I can't wait. For sale sign in a driveway. New house is getting built, man. New car outside. You gotta stay blessed up, confident. Keep hope alive, man. Let's see what we can do, y'all.
3.
Yeah, I like this.
Another door to get into the backyard.
Yeah, I like this. This is actually perfect.
This is how I build it. This
Yeah.
is me.
Oh, you did it?
Uh-huh.
I like it. This is nice.
Yeah.
3-car garage. I'm digging this. And so I'm able to park in the driveway?
Here. One car.
One
If you park it right, you can park 2. One go a little bit.
Yeah,
this
all the
one.
way. Yeah, just this square.
Because the garage is going to sit to here. So
Okay,
you can
cool.
park Here. 1. And then 2.
3,
And then 3.
4.
4. 5. 6.
Okay, perfect.
7, 8.
Yeah, I don't need 8, but that's good enough. That's perfect.
So
That's
it's good.
perfect.
So you can check the whole street. Nobody has
Yeah.
to park a lot.
Yeah, I love it.
You
It
can
looks.
check the entire neighborhood too.
Yeah, I was looking. I was like, I don't see any 3-car garages around here, and I have to come
That's
back.
why I told you this is a good home.
This is the best one. I like it. All right, man. We done got this thing pretty much seen and checked out. So I'm liking the 3-car garage. I'm liking the 2 stories. I'm liking the whole brand new aspect of the house. Nobody's ever lived in here. Also loving the view in the back, the whole like little lake, fake lake view or whatever you want to call it. I'm actually gonna love my Corvette sitting outside or in the garage even more, man. But you guys know it's been so stressful trying to freaking get this house deal done and everything, man. So I'm actually ready to close and ready to figure it out and get it done, man. So just pop the front trunk on you guys, man. But y'all see it there first. The bag goes in the front. Woo! The hood look like an Aventador, man. Y'all see what's going on. Until next time, we will see what happens, man. Let's hop back up in this thing and get up out of here. All right, man. So we back here, back at the house. We done checked out some cribs today. Actually, a bunch of cribs and stuff today. And kind of settled on one. Just trying to see if they're gonna take our offer so we can close and get this stuff done. I'm literally like so freaking tired of waiting on this house stuff, dog. It's been a freaking, it's been a trip, man. But we're finally there. So got my freaking one of my dream cars, C8 Corvette. You guys, I would take it off right now, the top, but it's thundering and I'm sure it's gonna be pouring down, and I don't want my freaking seats to be just soaked out, but you guys see it here first. I'll be getting you guys a more in-depth review maybe tomorrow or so. I'm just was enjoying it. Shout out to my dog Rusty Newworth for building this Corvette, man. This thing is freaking sick. Like I said, the trunk is in the front, the motor is in the back, man. This thing is lovely. I'm digging it. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Sorry for the delay in the videos, man. If you guys placed an order for a green camo hat, man, I'll be back home in a couple days or so, getting ready to ship everything out, man. So I appreciate you guys' patience, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. A lot of you guys been asking, man, what's up with Texas, man? What's up with Texas? When are you guys moving? So it's finally that time, man. We've been doing this for like 3 months now. We've been through like 2.5 different lenders. I'd say 2.5 because we almost had one, and then it was just like a total shot. It was just a waste of our time, man. So we've been through 3 lenders, really. Finally found one, got approved. Went to go find another crib today just because the first crib didn't work out, man. So you know, it is what it is. Everything that you see and that you want may not come to you then, but it'll come to you eventually, man. All you got to do is keep working, keep hope alive, keep striving, and don't accept no for an answer, man. If you guys settle, that's just what you'll settle with, man. So you always got to shoot for the stars and keep going, man, because I get told no so many times, dude. I'm so used to getting told no. It's like it's normal. So when somebody tells me yeah, it's like crazy, and that's how we ended up in a freaking C8 Corvette today. You know, when I first tried to get the C8, they told me no. Not really no. They told me I had to put down an arm and a leg, and I was just like, no, I'm good. So that's why I grabbed the i8. Now that we gave away the i8, I went back and got the C8 and got it for half of what they was asking before, man. So God is good all the time, and all the time God is good, man. I appreciate you guys supporting, following your boy, man, because without you guys, man, none of this stuff would be possible. We're finally at the finish line getting this house stuff situated, man, so I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We are on this road to 100,000 subscribers, man. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, man, hit that subscribe button for your boy. I definitely appreciate it. Meanwhile, if you guys haven't entered the giveaway, man, we got the big 22 coming up. I'm giving away my 2022 Ford F350 big dually blue truck. Yes, man, the big blue thing, man. I'm giving away that and my 2022 Road Glide special pair together for first place, man. Yes, bike and a truck. The bike will be on back of the truck when you get that joint. Second place, we got our 2020 Road Glide with the Bill 124 on that joint with everything regular oohs and ahs on it, man. I can't wait to get back home and ride them joints. Not only that, we got a couple more bikes that we took down in LA. Hopefully when we get back, them things will be looking a lot better and hopefully sounding a lot better, man. So I can't wait. With that being said, man, it's been a long freaking day. I've been here with Mama. Her mom has not been around, so it's just been me and her thugging along with my sister and my other little nephews and stuff. So I'm about to get back in here, try to get this house stuff locked down, because we're, like I said, we're right here, man, about to lock it in. So I'm just waiting on our approval answer, and then hopefully we'll know before we get back to Vegas. So with that being said, I will catch you guys on the next one. I'm in this peanut butter raspberry jam Corvette with the peanut butter crust all on the steering wheel, man. I'm digging it. It's got the carbon fiber in the seats. I'm loving it, man. I'm loving it, man. Keep chasing your dreams. Never give up. Always shoot for the stars, man. Never stop believing in yourself. It can happen for you too. Anything you want can happen in life. All you guys got to do is believe and keep working hard. Never stop giving up. You guys got to want to succeed more than you want to breathe, man. So with that being said, it's actually dripping down right now. I feel a couple raindrops, so I'm gonna close this door up, keep my interior preserved and all that, man, because you know we on that natural. But with that being said, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.